units and tens with blocks. Robbie the baker makes really good donuts, and Zoe and Max went to buy some. Who bought 110 of donuts? Great! Max bought 10 donuts. And any group of 10 units makes 110. And who bought just 1 unit of donuts? Great! Zoe bought 1 unit, and Max bought 110 of donuts. We're going to work out how many donuts there are in the bakery. First, let's count how many tens of donuts there are. Now let's count how many single units of donuts there are. Very good. There are 2 tens and 3 units. 2 tens and 3 units form the number 23. There are 23 donuts in the bakery. We can also show this number using blocks. If we change the 2 tens of donuts for 2 rods of 10 cubes and the 3 units of donuts for 3 cubes. If we have 3 rods of 10 units and 5 ungrouped units, what number do the blocks represent? Three rods of 10 cubes are 3 tens, and 5 cubes are 5 units. 3 tens and 5 units form the number 35. Now use the lowest possible number of blocks to show the number 48. Click here to create blocks. And here if you want to delete them. Great! In 48, the 8 is in the units place, and the 4 is in the tens place. And that's the end of the tens and units using blocks tutorial. Now try the activities.